After an unforgettable holiday in New Zealand, our journey brought us back to Sydney, where the final chapter of our Australasian adventure unfolded, with family reunions, joyful celebrations, and cherished memories that will remain with us for years to come. Our flight landed at Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport, and from there we took the train to North Ryde. After checking into our hotel and enjoying a brief rest, we ventured out for dinner at nearby Macquarie Centre. It was a relaxing way to ease back into the rhythm of Sydney after our travels across New Zealand.
What are you having? I have salmon.
The following day, we travelled to Campbelltown to visit dear friends who had hosted us earlier during our stay in Australia. During the afternoon, I enjoyed a short run around the neighbourhood before returning to join our friends and their family for a warm and delightful dinner. The visit felt like a reunion rather than a simple catch-up.
We're using one more order.
The chicken with in the bowl, like the one rice.
The evening was filled with laughter, stories, and the kind of hospitality that makes distant places feel like home. Early the next morning, my sister picked us up and drove us to another part of Sydney to visit our beloved aunt and her family. The gathering was filled with conversation and precious moments together. None of us knew at the time that it would be our last opportunity to see her. About 5 months after our visit, she passed away. Looking back, we are deeply grateful for that special day and the memories we were able to create with her and her loved ones.
Steve, what are you up to?
Attending the wedding.
Whose wedding?
Carlos and Omi.
Later in the day, the highlight of our stay came on a beautiful spring afternoon when we attended our nephew's garden wedding. The setting was picturesque, with bright sunshine, blooming flowers, and an atmosphere of excitement and anticipation. Family and friends gathered to witness the union of the happy couple in a ceremony filled with love and heartfelt emotion.
Stand at the entrance of the bride.
That they thank you very much for all.
The celebrations continued at the wedding reception, where fun and merriment took centre stage. The festivities began with an energetic entrance by the parents of both the bride and groom, who danced into the reception hall to lively music. Their joyful performance immediately set the tone for the evening. Guests enthusiastically joined in, clapping, cheering, and encouraging them every step of the way. Not to be outdone, the groomsmen followed with their own spirited entrance, drawing more applause and laughter from the crowd. Soon afterward, the bridesmaids entered to rousing music, adding elegance and excitement to the celebration.
finally came the grand entrance everyone had been waiting for, the bride and groom themselves. As they entered the hall, the room erupted with cheers and applause, welcoming them into an evening of unforgettable celebration. The reception was filled with heartfelt speeches, delicious food, lively music, and countless moments of joy. Family and friends shared stories, laughter, and happy tears as they celebrated the beginning of the newlyweds' life together. It was one of those rare occasions where every person present felt privileged to witness such happiness.
After several busy days, the following day was devoted largely to rest and recovery. We spent most of the day relaxing before heading once again to Macquarie Centre for a simple family dinner. As evening approached, we made our way to Darling Harbour for an experience we had eagerly anticipated. That night, we witnessed a dazzling drone show over Cockle Bay, our first ever. Against the iconic waterfront backdrop, hundreds of illuminated drones transformed the night sky into a breathtaking canvas of light. The free spectacle celebrated the vibrant energy of spring and was part of a month-long trial event. Although the show had already begun by the time we arrived, the display remained captivating. The harbour precinct was jam-packed with spectators, all gazing upward in wonder as the choreographed formations danced across the sky.
Hello, Sarah. Andito na kami sa harap ng Sofitel.
Harap is, nasa kabilang side kami.
Saan kayo?
Sa kabilang side ng, ng bay.
Sa kabilang side daw ng bay.
Sino nasa silay tayo?
Nandito kami sa may wildlife.
Nasa likod namin yung W.
Silay.
Nasa likod niyo yung andito kami sa
Silay.
Okay, sige ba?
Doon sa W sila nandun. Bike. Saka scooter ba yan?
Online ba check out?
Following the show, we slowly made our way towards the train station. Along the route, we passed Sydney Town Hall, one of Australia's most iconic civic buildings. Its grand Victorian architecture stood proudly illuminated against the night sky, providing yet another memorable sight on our final evening in the city. Tomorrow, we would leave for another destination. But for that night on the station platform, we simply cherished the memories we had made. They were memories that would remain with us for the rest of our lives, a collection of experiences woven together by travel, family, friendship, love, and gratitude. And with those thoughts lingering warmly in our hearts, we called it a night.